This is Paul. Yeah. It's 40 degrees out at 9 a.m. Yeah. But let me see here. It's the 23rd was Friday. Yeah. 24th. It's the 25th of November. In 5 days, I'm going to court. And I never really explained this to you, but this whole idea of setting aside the court case for 10 weeks, yeah, then obligating me to appear in court 3 months after the last court date. I really thought about it, and I had emailed quite a few persons from June 16th of 2017 until today. Yeah, sheriffs in Arizona and other counties, and then the Seattle Police Department. Yeah, I just wanted to know because I thought about it. Maybe I should go to court. If you knowingly admit any person to a psychiatric facility when you know they're innocent of a crime, yes, exactly what's the liability to the police and sheriff's departments? See, when you think about the unlimited liability of issuing a fraudulent protection order, yeah, and then you think about emailing 2,100,000 emails, yeah, and then documenting, yes, that my rights are being violated. There's no penalty of perjury. Ouch. That I was in Port Angeles on June 16th of 2017, and I was in this senior center on that same day because I looked at the logbook, and I can't be at two places at the same time. I can't sign myself into the computer lab at noon. Yes, and be in Brennan at that same moment. So when we start adding up the actual damages, see, let's say I didn't fail to appear. Yeah, I changed my mind. I'm going to go to court. We're going to have a cell hearing where you're going to try to prove that I am or am not mentally ill or mentally defective for not knowing that I signed the actual logbook of the computer lab on that day and time. Now, I know there's this big question of liability. You have unlimited liability. Do you understand that the petitioner had no penalty of perjury? Yes. And the two-count criminal complaint was filed with the court on August 8th of 2017, approximately 9 weeks after the alleged incident took place. Yes. And then you had the actual arraignment for myself on the 21st of August when I had emailed law enforcement. Right. And then you said, well, he failed to appear, you arrested me, you transported me across county lines. We had a video arraignment in that jail on September 19th, I think it was. Yes, 2017. Where I told the judge, I don't know where she works, I don't know where she lives, she didn't sign the protection order, you should read it for yourself. And then you kept making me go to court hearings where you know you didn't admit any evidence and you wouldn't allow me to call any witnesses on my behalf. And then after the first mental health evaluation that Phyllis did in Jack Range's office, right, the deputy prosecuting attorney had said, well, speedy trial has told. It's part of the court record. Right. You had 3 months to try me for the allegation of the two-count criminal complaint. But you decided to set it aside. Now, I didn't take any time last night to read these laws that you say that you have the legal right to set aside any trial of any citizen of the United States when you, the prosecuting attorney, are just not ready to hear the case. Ooch. Now, there's this question of all of those that are the sovereign powers known as the public officers, yes, those that are oaths of office. Do they know that I'm being tried for a fraudulent court order? Yes. Yes. Do they know? P. Budnick, 21, June 16th of 2017. There's 13 videos there that I had put on the YouTube channel in reverse order. Yes. Do they know that they received an email from me that day and every day from that day? Yes, as well as the days before that day. Oh. Now, when we start thinking about liability, okay, let's say I go to court. You decide that I am fit to stand trial. Yes. I'm not mentally ill. I am mentally competent because we have our side, the psychiatrist that Jack Range employed. Yes. The personality test that I put online. Yes. Then we have their side, Western State Hospital. Right. He's delusional. He doesn't realize the importance of having a signature on a protection order because of the unlimited liability to this state, every state in the United States. Yes. And he doesn't realize the importance of contempt of court. Now, I'm just sitting here thinking, well, let's say I do go to court on Friday, and I've emailed all of those that are sovereign powers, yes, that they could set aside the trial because I don't think, and I haven't read all the laws yet, but I think you're fucking up the nation in such a way that I am going to be able to sue each and every individual, yes, that went on my drives and decided to get a copy of the emails. Oh, you can't deny what you know. And to issue a court order where I have to be admitted to a mental facility, yes, where you're going to administer psychotropic medication against my will, yes, because you didn't have to guarantee me a speedy trial, yes. You didn't have to have a valid protection order, no. You didn't have to have any witnesses that said I was there when I was at the senior center that day, yes. In fact, you can find me guilty right now